Um, yes, today we will talk about the Pap smear and what type of questions that patient in the exam can ask you about this. May he start to ask you, I'm suitable to do this test or no? You can explain to her that this screening method started from 21 age. And when it will stop, we can say that we consider stopping this screening method around 65 years of old. Maybe also she asks you that if, after how long I need to repeat this test. We can tell her that every 3 years, mainly from 21 years of old, and for those from 30, you can ask her maybe every 5 years. Then maybe she asks you also about what is this test and what is the benefit of it. You can explain to her that it's a screening method. It detects early or show it as precancerous cells. This is golden benefit of this screening method. Start by its screening method. Okay, it can detect the precancerous cells and cancer cells itself. You got it? I mean, it's maybe diagnostic also. Yes, it's a screening, but it could be also diagnostic method. And also, maybe she asks you if there is any precaution or any preparing before doing this. You can consider to her that it's better to avoid intercourse, douching, or any vaginal medicine, and even any creams, better to keep it away. And also you can tell her that or give her advice regard better to make appointment after menstrual period stop or after 2 weeks, not during menstrual period. Okay, and maybe also she asks you that after how long this test it will be available. You can tell her that this test mainly after 2 to 3 weeks, maybe it should be available, and after that maybe also but I think it's not just if the results come negative or positive, may the patient start to ask you about what it means negative result and positive result, and we can talk about this in next video.